What if you have a beautiful custom ceiling with limited access behind it? The strategically hidden speaker lineup has the ideal fit. The SHS-3T2-HD was designed for stunning spaces with challenging installation scenarios, like retrofits or minimal plenum space. For ceilings with the minimum plenum depth of 3.5 inches to the hard deck, the 3T2-HD is your go-to solution for inconspicuous sound in finished spaces. Unlike the standard 3T2 multi-mount design, the HD easily installs where the plenum is tougher to access. With Cat5e cable, the SHS-3T2-HD natively integrates with AtlasIED Z-Series sound masking, background music, and paging systems. This and all SHS speakers can be customized to match any environment or ceiling aesthetic through the AtlasIED Design Lab process. Reach out for a demo or more information today.